Hello friends, how are you today? Welcome to my YouTube channel VJ Exports Mastery. So friend, I am very thankful that you keep on taking interest in my YouTube channel where I make live many different types of training videos every now and then, and I am present in several digital channels, not only on YouTube. I am present on Udemy channel, I am present on Skillshare. I have my own website which has got several courses of mine at ebz.com. So friends, after being present in different channels, all the channels have their own advantages and disadvantages. Today I will be talking about a new mobile app which I have created, which is exclusively for VJ Exports Mastery without any ads. So I will tell you so many surprising things about this mobile app of VJ Exports Mastery. So this absolutely ad-free, sanitized mobile app, absolutely safe and highly advanced mobile app, VJ Exports Mastery app. I'll just talk to you about it. But before that, I will request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can keep getting notification for the incredible videos which I keep on sharing almost on daily basis on this YouTube channel, giving you a lot of free resources and major tips for becoming a global business professional. So this channel hosts videos on exports, imports, foreign trading, global online business, international marketplaces selling, blockchain, cryptocurrency and their role in foreign trade and other business applications. So friends, this particular app is full of surprises. So I'm going to share in this video what are these surprises of this incredible mobile app, VJ Exports Mastery mobile app. Friends, this mobile app is available on Google Play Store. Just type VJ Exports Mastery, you will get this app, or you can go to the link which is given below this video and you can download the app through this link also. So it is very easy, friends, to download this video, and it's absolutely safe, absolutely sanitized. No third party ads are there in this mobile app. So I will tell you the surprises of this app. First of all, friends, once you download this app, you will find this app is very user friendly, full of features. There are so many amazing new features which you rarely find in the educational app. So it's a complete education system. It creates an atmosphere of my direct contact with you. You can contact with me directly through this app with your questions, and you will be getting live classes, doubt clearing classes every week for the enrolled courses. If you enroll the courses which are paid. At present, these paid courses are available at heavy discount, and above this discount for a very limited period, I have given you below this video the further discount coupon, heavy discount coupon, and you can enroll to these courses at a incredibly low prices. Friends, apart from these paid courses, the app has many free resources and the links, and you will keep getting these new resources, free resources, and also this app has got free study material. You can download free study material and you can practice tests which are available in this app, and very importantly, you can download the videos of the courses which you enroll in the offline mode in the app itself, so that even if you don't have the internet available, you can view the videos. So what more you want friends, from a mobile app like this, but it has got many more surprises in store for you. The other surprise in this app is that it has got very well researched performance system. You can check your performance on the tests and your learning in this course. You can keep track of your learning in this app. And friends, you can share this app with your friends and your contacts, and you can also see these videos which are available in this app from your desktop also on the web. This is a great feature. All these things without any irritating ads or any distraction. So complete focus is there. The live classes are through the app only, available on the mobile. So you don't have to prepare for the live classes to join the classes. Anywhere you can join these classes, and you can raise questions during the live classes. You can ask your doubts. So friends, this is a complete app. And friends, this app is also available if you want to log in through your email instead of your mobile. And it is very useful for the overseas students who want to download this app so they can log in through email login. So if you don't want to log in through your mobile number, you can log in through email also. So let us look at the courses which are available. So you can see here the courses which are available at a highly discounted price on this app. So these courses are available at very low price at present. As you can see here, these are the videos. 41 videos are available in this course. Lifetime access is there for you, and many of the videos are available for preview. So even if you don't want to buy the course, you can see these preview videos free of cost. And friends, I will show you many other things in this app on the mobile itself. I'll just show you. So you can see, if you go to the mobile app, so this is how it will look like when you open the app. You can see so many buttons are there. Offline downloads are available here, and these are the free resources. So this is the app, these are the free resources, and this is the store. You can enter into a batch, you can choose your batch also, you can chat among the students, you can create your profile here. So all these features are available here. You can share the app with your friends, you can share on WhatsApp, you can copy the link, and these are the courses in the store. Here you can see here 4 courses are there at very heavy discount are available at present. So this is the course. As you can see, all details are given about the price, and everything is there. View on desktop available, as you can see here. So you can view this course on the desktop, and the other courses, if you see another course, talk to the tutor, that facility is available here. So all these things, all these kind of features, very interesting features. Lifetime access is there, preview videos are there, how many tests in this course are there, it is mentioned here, everything is mentioned here. And these are the contents. You can see the contents, what are the contents. You don't have to buy to see that. So this is completely feature rich app. So this is the video, you can see here different videos. These courses at present are available at a highly discounted prices for a very limited time, $6.99, as you can see. No batches to display. You can be part of this facility of being part of the batches. So it's full of features, offline study material, Lot of study material is available in this app apart from the offline downloads, offline contents, and you can explore this app by downloading it. And batch tests, you can compare your performance with others in this app. So many surprises are there, friends, in this app, and many free resources which are available on this app are absolutely free to benefit from. So it is a good idea to download this app and tell others also about this app, this incredible app full of surprises. Thank you very much.